Hey guys, welcome to my channel. You all know magic, the most amazing thing in the whole world. So today I have brought for you a magic trick. I hope you like it. For assurance, it is a non-edited video. So let's go to our magical trick. So first, what we are going to do, we are going to shuffle it nicely. Now, let's pick a card. I'm not going to look. Keep it back anywhere you want. Now, I don't know what your card is or where it is, but still I'm going to shuffle it. So I'm done with my shuffling. Now watch out for your card. Which column is it in? Watch out, watch out. So I have done. Which column is it in? This one? Okay. Now, would you be so kind to tell me one more time? Which one is it in? Now, one last time. Which one is it in? Let's take the piles once more and then. Now it is the time to seek your magical card. Then my magical finger will start working. No. 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 Yes, is this your card?
Yes, that's right.
Now, do you know that magic tricks are always a secret? But you guys are getting a golden opportunity to check my next video and know how this magic trick is done. Subscribe, like, share and ring the bell notifications. Bye!